Meaning of Cyprus. Cyprus. Cyprus.
Cyprus. Cyprus. Cyprus is an island country in the eastern Mediterranean, south of Turkey and west of Syria and Lebanon. It is the third largest and third most populous island in the Mediterranean, and its capital and largest city is Nicosia. The name Cyprus is derived from the Greek word for copper, as the island was known for its rich copper resources in ancient times. Today, Cyprus is a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful beaches and historic sites, and it is also an important center for international business and finance.